let's talk about something we all rely on, but hardly ever think about: our mattress. Most people don't realize it, but your mattress has an expiration date. Yep, just like milk, only it takes about 7 to 10 years to go bad. So, how do you know when it's time? Well, if you're waking up stiff, tossing and turning more than usual, or noticing sagging spots where you sleep, that's a big sign. Another clue? Allergies that seem worse at night. Mattresses collect dust mites, dander, and other particles over the years. Even if you're washing your sheets like a champ, the mattress itself is basically holding on to years of buildup. It's kind of like a sponge. It only holds up so long before it just stays dirty. And here's the thing: sleep affects everything. Your mood, your focus, even your immune system. A worn-out mattress isn't just uncomfortable, it's affecting your health. So replacing it isn't just about luxury, it's really about wellness. Now, I know mattresses are an investment and nobody's excited to drop $1,000 on a new bed, but think about it this way. You spend about a third of your life on it. That's more time than you spend in your car, and people don't hesitate to upgrade those. Just food for thought. When's the last time you replaced your mattress? Be honest in the comments, no judgment here. Next time, I'll be breaking down HEPA filters and whether they could actually help with COVID. See you then on Simply Filters.